If you're into woodworking, you already know how important the right router bits are for getting smooth edges, clean cuts, and professional results. But with so many options out there, which sets are actually worth your money? Well, today I'm breaking down the top 3 best router bit sets on Amazon, covering their features, pricing, and the pros and cons you should know before adding them to your workshop. Let's dive in. 1. BOSCH RBS006TES Carbide Tipped Edging Router Bit Set. First up, we have the BOSCH RBS006TES, a 6-piece carbide tipped router bit set designed for edging and trimming work. BOSCH is well known for durability, and this set doesn't disappoint. Each bit features a precision ground carbide tip for longer life and cleaner cuts. They come in a sturdy storage case, keeping everything organized and protected. Current pricing sits around $54, making it a mid-range investment for serious DIYers and pros alike. Pros: excellent build quality, long-lasting carbide tips, and reliable BOSCH performance. Cons: limited to 6 edging bits, so it's not a complete all-in-one solution for beginners. 2. KOWOOD Router Bit Set, 24 pieces for beginners and DIYers. Next is the KOWOOD 24-piece router bit set, a fantastic starter kit for woodworkers who want variety at an affordable price. It includes a wide range of profiles: straight, dovetail, roundover, and more, making it ideal for experimenting with different cuts. Each bit is made from high-quality alloy steel with sharp carbide tips for solid performance. Priced around $39, it offers great value for beginners looking to build skills without breaking the bank. Pros: affordable, versatile with 24 different bits, and a good learning set for beginners. Cons: not as durable as premium sets, so heavy users may need replacements over time. 3. 30-piece tungsten carbide router bit set with case. Finally, we have the 30-piece tungsten carbide router bit set, designed for wood milling, edging, and grooving. With an impressive range of 30 bits, this kit covers just about every need for woodworking projects. The tungsten carbide construction ensures decent durability, and it comes neatly packed in a wooden storage case. At around $49, it strikes a balance between variety and price, making it a solid choice for hobbyists. Pros: huge variety with 30 pieces, good value, and a handy storage box. Cons: quality isn't on par with professional-grade brands, so it's best suited for light to moderate use. So there you have it, the top 3 best router bit sets on Amazon. From BOSCH's precision 6-piece kit to KOWOOD's budget-friendly 24-piece set and the massive 30-piece all-in-one pack, there's something here for every level of woodworker. Which one fits your style? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more woodworking gear reviews.